thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep but love, yeah. Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep but love.
Hi, hello everyone. So happy to be here. Every time I record a video, in the beginning, actually that is very easily to think about what I have to talk about in the initial part. So I don't care, and I very randomly chatting everything that I want. So that is very casual and relaxing. But then afterward, day by day, month by month, I discover my topic is already just squeezed out. So it is very embarrassed. Actually, in the fact, I should and I must have some topic and some things that can be shared with. So that is not a problem when you have something to talk about in the beginning. So what I want to say is actually although I don't have so much topic to talk about, but I still have something that is I feel that is positive. Just like your dream, your plan in your life. In all the people around the world, we just intersect 50-50. So some people have dreams, some people don't have. People have dreams are those seeking for some certain goal that to satisfy their inner feeling. And the other 15%, they just want to enjoy life. In their thought and in their idea, to see the world and to enjoy life, to discover and obtain something that is real, to just feeling the memory of the family, and to be moved by a joy from your child. So actually, some people are chasing after goal because they care about us and concentrate in it. But that is not a bad thing. Because of these people, so human being can just always in advanced promotion procedure that we can always develop so many technology or other financial building or just other education achievement. So, what I want to say is that to choose your life you want, that is a very important thing. Arrange all the things, calm down, and to just feel inner your mind. What kind of life is you want? And to arrange all the details, all the item in the whole life, how you to practice it, how you to reach it. That is very important. That is why the life is worth. So when you discover desperate and frustrated, remember one thing. Here is no one always happy, okay? Okay? Don't feel so lonely and don't feel so solitude. In the whole world, every single one all ever cry, teary, sorrow, angry. So when you are in a very low mood and very worse situation in a sentimental, just let it go, and after you releasing your feeling, turn back, calm down, and have a peaceful mind, to have a pray again, and to think about what is the next step you have to do. Don't feel so disaster-like. Just like the whole world is only you have such encountering, but actually in the whole world, everyone all ever encounter just one time disaster. So that is very common. Okay, today we are going to solve the question that is about the equation include the symbol that called absolute value. Absolute value. Take a look at the question. Here is the equation. The equation is x squared minus 5x. But here is the bracket is just absolute value. And all the equation is smaller than 6. Remember one thing. When we see the absolute value, the first thing we have to judge. You have to judge in the absolute value. The value is positive or negative. Because just leave out of the absolute value. We have to discuss the absolute value. Original value is positive or negative. It is the absolute value's characteristic. So here is the two options in this question. One is we just assume in the absolute value, the x squared minus 5x is bigger and equal than 0. Or the second option is the x squared minus 5x is smaller than 0. So, the first thing,
so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night
x squared minus 5x is bigger equal than 0. Then x minus 5x equal than 0. Then x smaller than 0 or x bigger equal than 5. When it is so the x squared minus 5x is smaller than 6. Then the x squared minus 5x minus 6 smaller than 0. Then the x minus 6 and the x plus 1 smaller than 0. Therefore, the x is among 6 and the next one, negative 1. So, we got the two tips. Can you see this? And in this situation, we got the two range. So from x smaller than equal or x bigger equal than 5.
I should catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating.
And the x amount 6 or negative 1.
Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah.
Thereby,
I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet,
we get
so sweet, talking till we asleep.
x amount 0 or negative 1 or x amount 6 and 5. Can you get this? When the x is smaller equal than 0, and the x bigger and equal than 5. And the x is among 6 and the negative 1.
I've been sleeping through the long night. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the
So
ceiling.
here is
All because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute.
So, and the second situation, we assume 2. The x squared minus 5x is smaller than 0. Then the x minus 5 smaller than 0. Then the x is among 5 and 0. So the negative x squared plus 5x smaller 6, that is x squared minus 5x plus 6 bigger than 0. So because we know the x is among 5 and 0, so
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me.
okay. Because the x among 0 and 5. Originally, the equation is x squared minus 5x smaller than 0. Because the range is about thus. So when it is just to set in the original equation, so the equation will just change become, because that is not original equation already, because the range is among 0 and 5. So the equation is just become a negative x squared plus 5x smaller than 6, because the x is among 5 and 0. So that is why. And then the x minus 3, x minus 2 bigger than 0. Therefore, x smaller than 2 or x bigger than 3. So here we have the 2. So from s among 5 and 0 and over x smaller than 2 over x bigger than 3, we can get
I've been sleeping through the long nights.
x amount to and 0
I've been thinking how I'm alright.
or x amount 5 over 3. So by
so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you
by
really get
1
me,
and 2.
make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep your thoughts straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. But you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute,
Okay, so by the 2 and the 1, so by the 2 and the 1 and
yeah. Wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep your thoughts straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love,
and
yeah. 'Cause you really get me,
combine
my knees.
together.
Every night I fall deep, but love.
What do we obtain
Don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be
is
without you.
x amount to
Yeah, wait a
and the 1 and the 0.
let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two.
or X among 6 and 3. Just draw it again.
I've been sleeping through the long night. I've been shining in the sunlight.
So here is
There's a reason for my feelings.
here is
There's a reason why I'm
negative 1,
zero,
0,
all because of you. You and I
2,
so sweet.
3,
Talk until we asleep.
5,
Fall deep,
6.
fall deep, but love,
So here is
get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but
here is
love. Yeah, wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute,
and
I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I
let's
should
see.
catch up on my reading. I should catch up on my eating. Yeah, but it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like? Yeah, I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talk until we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love,
And 2,
wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I
and
don't wanna be
3,
without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss you. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want.
and 5.
Said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you is all I want. Minute with you, said a minute with you, said a minute with you is all I want. I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talk until we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. 'Cause you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute,
Okay.
I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need
So that is all about this question.
I should catch up on my
I hope you can understand about this. Just to discuss the situation among it. So in the chapter, here are so many places you have to learn to discussion. So try to analyze and to find the clues hidden in it. that will help you to just throw out and analyze entirely whole equation want to tell you out. Okay, this is today's question. Hope you can have a wonderful time. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling.